I'm going to show you how to program a counter in the MicroLogix 1100. Let's start by adding a new rung. Go to the User tab, drag and drop a new rung. We're going to need something to count, so let's use the green push button, PB1. We'll use an examineif closed instruction and address it I:0/0. Now let's take that to the counter. You'll find the counter on the timer counter tab. It's the CTU button. It's called countup. Drag and drop it onto our rung. The counter needs an address. All counters have to be from the C5 data file. I'm going to open up the data file and grab the first counter, C50, and drag and drop onto the counter instruction. The preset is the number of counts that the counter will count up to. Let's use 10 counts. The accumulator is going to track the counter. Let's start from 0. Okay, we're going to need something to happen when the counter counts to 10. So let's add another rung. Grab an examineif closed instruction. Open the counter data file back up and grab the 0 under the DN. That's the done bit for counter 50. Drag and drop it onto the examineif closed instruction. And throw an output on that rung. We'll use output 0/0. And lastly, we're going to need some way to reset the counter. So let's use a push button to do that. We'll throw a rung at the bottom, examine that push button, and we'll use input 1, I:0/0, 0/1, and we'll call that PB3. And then we'll throw an output there. Oh, my bad. We're going to throw the reset instruction, which you can find on the timer counter tab. It's called reyes. It needs to be the same address as the counter you're trying to reset. So I'm going to drag and drop the address from counter 50. That's it. Verify your file and download it into the PLC.